What's up, guys? This is Hexa Hut from the Hexa Funko channel, and today I have our Disney Park Pack pin set for the month of April. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Looks like the first pin we have here is a rainbow pin of Mickey. Second pin here looks like a old school US flag pin of Mickey with the flag in the back. Old school from 1928. And our special edition pin looks like it's Rapunzel from Tangled. It looks like my variant pin has a green background. I'm pretty sure the other pins have different color backgrounds. So pretty alright box this month. So here we have our 3 pins for the month. We have our rainbow Mickey pin, we have our old school flag Mickey pin, and our Rapunzel pin as our limited edition pin for the month. So there we have it, guys. Thanks a lot. This is Hexa Hut from the Hexa Funko channel. Thanks for watching, and thanks for everyone who subscribed to our channel. Again, this is Hexa Hut. Hexa out.